It's a cold winter day in the Columbia River Gorge.
Can't believe what blue sky we got today. It's beautiful.
It may not be warm, but for Corey Raisler, the wind makes it a perfect day. To most people, the very cold wind would feel uncomfortable. However, it gives Raisler a different feeling.
Feels like power. Feel some wind. Gonna be good today.
But good for what?
Okay, let's go sailing.
Corey Raisler doesn't just fly kites on windy winter days. Raisler flies with them. 30-year-old Raisler was one of the first people to really experience the sport of kiteboarding. He uses a kite to catch the power of the wind. But what is kiteboarding like? How does it feel?
Sort of rolly, wavy, free feeling where you know at any moment you can just launch off the water for a few seconds and fly.
Raisler says that the power of the wind in a kite can be like a bird moving its wings. The lifting power, or lift, of both things can overcome gravity and allows both to fly. Wind power is something that's easily found in the Columbia River Gorge, which divides the states of Washington and Oregon. It's one of the best places in the world to kiteboard. However, for inventor Corey Raisler, the gorge is more than just a place to have fun. It's a place to try his new inventions. Raisler has always loved water sports. When he was a teenager, he was the first person to test pilot, or try out, the sport of water skiing with a kite, or kite skiing. Later, he became a mechanical engineer. In the 1990s, he invented and designed a lot of water sports equipment. Eventually, he became famous in the area of water sports. Now, Raisler is ready to test pilot his newest invention for playing with the wind, and he's asked his friends for some help. It's a new kind of wakeboarding boat with a sail.
The sail's gonna stabilize us so we don't tip over.
Why are you nervous?
I've never seen anything like that before, so it's a little freaky.
But what makes Raisler's boat so different? In recent years, more people have started using towers for wakeboarding. This allows them to place the rope higher. This gives more lift to the wakeboarder and makes it easier to jump in the air. It's also easier on the body. Raisler's tower is 17 feet off the water. That's 6 feet higher than other wakeboarding boats. The higher rope allows the wakeboarder to jump even higher than before. Raisler has also added a sail to stabilize the tower and the wakeboarder. The new invention works.
Nice.
It works, though. It's nuts. I didn't think it would.
And Raisler's opinion?
A little more confident, but we'll see. It's got to go on a big wakeboard boat and get tested in the right environment.
For Corey Raisler, the right environment seems to be the Columbia River Gorge. For him, it's the right place to live and the right place to find adventure with his new water sports. According to Raisler, life sometimes seems almost too good to be true. Living in the area is so wonderful that it's like being in a dream. He also adds that he and his friends are happy that they're not going to wake up one day and find out that it's gone. It seems like they want every day to be a water sports adventure.